Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Sign into Google Ads, add billing details, and pick campaign goals. This prevents later roadblocks. Once done, install the global site tag and a conversion pixel, measure purchases or leads. Make sure to verify tag firing with Tag Assistant or Preview mode, then create a simple search campaign draft so you have a working container to configure. That gives you immediate data to refine keywords and bidding. Next, you construct the campaign. Pick the type that matches your funnel, search for intent, display for awareness, video for storytelling. Then structure ad groups tightly with 3-5 related keywords each. Use exact, phrase, and broad modifier to control reach. Create responsive search ads with varied headlines and descriptions, and attach extensions like site links and callouts to increase real estate. Once live, set automated bidding initially. Then watch data to switch to target CPA or ROAS as performance stabilizes. Finally, you iterate. Check search terms often, add negatives, and refine bids by device and location to cut waste. Once you see consistent conversions, scale budgets and expand keywords or audiences. Make sure to /B test new creatives and landing pages. If metrics drop, troubleshoot by confirming tag firing, reviewing recent bid or budget changes, and checking landing page speed. One key tip: enable conversion lag reporting to spot delayed attribution issues that otherwise look like
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.